This is a 1940s Hoover Model 26. This is the predecessor to the Model 28. Actually, there was, I believe, a Model 27, which is very similar to the Model 28. It just has a hood that is a two-tone. If you note, this has a hood that is far more rectangular. Note, this is not a perfect example. There's a crack, a little chip in the top there. Not really a crack, just a chunk missing, really, on this. But these are fairly rare cleaners. You don't see very many of them. A difference between this and a 28 is that the 28 has the handle release on top of the base, while the 26 has it lower, very similar to a Model 150. This, however, does not have the 150's advanced height adjustment system. So this is a fairly interesting cleaner. I got it from Hans Craig in North Carolina. I want to thank him for that cleaner, for this cleaner rather. So without further ado, I will give a quick demonstration of it. For whatever reason, despite being very similar to a Model 28, on this carpeting it is entirely useless, while my 28 cleans much better. And this actually, I believe, has better brush strips in it, too. So it doesn't make much sense. And this is an aftermarket brand. As it says, Dust Care brand for Hoover. I'll mess with that later. Upon further investigation, it appears that the socket is actually cracked inside of this machine. One of these days I'll get around to properly cleaning this whole thing up, and maybe trying to fill in the little crack in the hood. What I would like to do with it is I would like to see about replacing the rubber bumper guard that is, with age, sagging on this cleaner. And of course, at that moment in time, I'll do something about the headlight socket there. It is actually the socket. There's a crack in it. I believe that's a normal bayonet style one, as are most vacuum cleaner bulbs.